Hello.
Hello, Kenchi.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you just woke up?
No, I eat breakfast already.
Ah, very good.
Let's learn.
Okay, let's learn. Oh, can you see the yellow box, Kenchi?
Yes.
Okay, there's no yellow box now. My throat is very painful. Okay, so what is the title of our lesson, Kenchi?
What a morning.
Okay, what a morning. So exactly, our class is all about morning, and today our class is a morning class. Okay, so now Kenchi, let's begin. Okay, now Kenchi, we have here some words or vocabulary words. Okay, so the first one is,
Breakfast.
okay, now Kenchi, what do you think is a breakfast?
In Eat in the morning. Breakfast.
Okay, very good, you are correct. So breakfast, this is a food or a meal that we eat every morning. So Kenchi, what are the example of foods for breakfast? Can you give me examples?
Noodle.
Look at the picture. What foods can you see there?
Egg.
Okay, egg.
Mm, I see drink. Coffee.
Yes, coffee. And then
Plate.
plate. Are you going to eat the plate?
No.
No. What else? What's that round food? What do you call that?
Egg.
No, 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 no. This one. It looks like a circle. What kind of food is this?
Where?
Wait a minute. I'm going to put a line. Okay, this one. What do you call that food?
I don't know.
Okay, in English, we call it pancakes.
Pancake.
Yes, have you tried eating that? Do you
I
eat?
don't know.
Maybe pancake is not the word for Vietnam. Okay, so now Kenchi, let's have the second word. What is this? What's the second picture about? Hmm? What is picture number 2?
Dinner.
Dinner. Okay, very good. It's a dinner. Now, what time or what time of the day do you eat dinner? Is it in morning, afternoon, or at night?
At night.
Okay, very good. We eat dinner at night. And the next one is
Lunch.
lunch. Okay. Now, what time do you eat your lunch, Kenchi?
What time? Um, 11 o'clock.
So do you eat your lunch at home or at school?
Saturday and Sunday eat at house
Mm-hmm.
and and on a day eat at school.
Wow, you eat your lunch at school every day. So Kenchi, do you buy your food at school or um your mom brings you food?
What?
Do you bring your food at school?
No.
Where? You have a
What?
food. You have a food at school. Okay. Next one, Kenji, is supper. Very good. So supper is also like a dinner. Okay, so supper is more likely you eat it later than a dinner. Okay, next up is,
Get up, wake up.
okay, now Kenchi, what time do you wake up in the morning?
Wake up.
Yeah, what time do you wake up?
Um, 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Well, that's very early because teacher gets up at 7 or 8 in the morning. Okay, now Kenchi, what do you do first thing in the morning when you get up in your bed?
What?
What do you do first when you get up your bed? What's that? What's that?
Brush my teeth.
Okay, very good. You brush your teeth, then you wash your face. And then you go down to eat your breakfast. Okay, very good, Kanchi. So what's the last word?
Late.
Late. Okay, now Kenchi, what do you mean by late?
Late is very early.
Very early? No, not very early. What is late? Hi, Tom. What is late?
I don't know.
Okay, so late means you didn't come on time. Okay, it is not too early, but you are late. So it means you didn't come on time. Okay, now Kenchi, let's have activity.
No, they call them.
Let's color them. Oh no, okay.
I just call a late, and you call a breakfast, dinner, lunch, and supper.
It's too plenty. Can we share?
No.
Oh, can we share? Can I color breakfast, dinner, and lunch, and you color supper, get up, and late?
No. You call a breakfast, dinner, lunch, supper, get up, and wait.
Okay.
I just call a late.
This is so plenty.
Why? Wait for me.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, Tom. Good morning, Tom. Okay, I'm coloring it Kanchi.
Alright.
Yeah, I am. Are you coloring too?
No, I can't.
One leg only?
Yes,
Why?
because I like. But you color quickly than me.
No, this is too plenty.
You color quickly than me.
Okay, so I'm done coloring now.
No, lunch is super. And get up, wake up.
Okay.
How can you color super, get up and wake up and late? I call it lunch.
Okay, no problem. I will color it.
Easy. Easy. Three. Tom. Easy.
This is too many. Oh, I'm coloring wake up now. And then I'm coloring the boy. Okay, where's color brown?
Finish.
Okay, wait, one more. I will color late. Okay, I'm finished too. Okay, now let's proceed to the first activity, Kenchi. Oh, what's this? There's your food. I can see it. There's lunch. Okay, now Kenchi, let's answer activity A. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. Okay, so we can see here some pictures of a cup.
No. No.
What?
Let's color.
Let's answer first before we color.
Okay.
Okay, so we can see here a cup, breakfast, a bus stop, homework, places, a shower, a classroom, and stairs. Okay, now Kenchi, look at the pictures. How many pictures are there?
8.
8, all right. Okay, now Kenchi, let's have an example right here. Children sit at desk and learn in this place. Answer is classroom. Okay, number 1, Kenchi, read and answer.
You can walk up or down this inside your home. Stair.
Yes, very good. Stairs. Next.
Wait here and then a driver take you to town. A bus stop.
Yes, a bus stop. 3.
Who is this In morning, easily it is in lunch. Breakfast.
Breakfast. Next one.
You stand in this and wash your body. A shower.
A shower.
You put hot coffee in this. Then you pick it up and drink from it. A cup.
A cup. Last one.
You can buy a map or looking on the internet to find this place.
Yes, very good. Places is correct. Very good. Kenchi, you got 8 points. 6. Okay. Oh, let's color 4. Let's have 4 each, okay? You color all the pictures on the top and teacher will color the pictures on
No.
below. Oh, what?
I color a cup, breakfast, and
Oh, you must choose 4.
no, I want to do 3. Only 3.
Only 3? Okay. What is it?
Cup, breakfast, and a shower.
Okay. I'm coloring now.
Now I just color 2.
Why 2? There's 8.
No, I want color 2 and you color 6.
Okay.
Because you're bigger than me.
Because I'm bigger than you?
Yes.
Okay. What are you going to color?
I color a cup and breakfast.
It's 2 only.
Yeah, this 2 only.
I thought you want to color 3.
No, 2.
Okay. You are not going to color shower?
Yes.
Okay, I'm done.
No, you're not coloring a people. Look.
The people too?
In the square on the shower.
That's too plenty. Okay.
I'm finished.
Okay, wait for me.
Color the blue square too.
No, I'm coloring only the white square.
No. Blue. Two.
Blue too?
Yes.
Okay,
You
wait.
no. Why are you not color this?
What's that?
Color that.
The floor?
Yes.
Okay. I'm coloring it now.
Why are you not coloring this? And this to a flower in the wall.
The floor and the wall too?
Yes.
Okay.
Do not color it. It's not nice.
Because it's very hard. Because the picture is very small.
I finished. I'm finished.
And then you just colored the object. And then
Oh,
teacher,
I see you not coloring the ocean. Color ocean blue.
okay.
Color ocean. Look, ocean. Color ocean. Color ocean. La 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 la.
Okay, finish coloring the ocean. Okay, now
No,
let's, what else?
no.
What else?
Coloring the wall of the classroom.
The wall on the classroom?
Yes.
Wait a minute, my light is, okay. The wall of the classroom. Oh no, that's very hard.
You color the
Okay.
no. You color the word too, like this. I will show you. Like this. Like this.
Where?
Like this.
Okay. I will color the words. Finish. It's okay now?
Not okay.
Why? Oh, we don't have anything to color now. It's colored everything.
Yes. Have. I will circle this.
What's that?
You can see.
No, I cannot. What's that?
This. Do not color it.
Ah, the wall.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, wait. I'm choosing a light color. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm done.
Color the word.
What's that?
Color the word. Look at the pictures. How many pictures are there? How many sentences can you see? Example, students sit at the desk and learn in this place. A classroom. Question 1. You can jump up, walk up or down this inside your home. 2. Wait here and then a driver take you to town. 3. People eat this in morning. It is lunch.
Okay,
4.
finish.
Wow! Color is the answer. Why are you not color the number, a question, and a sector?
You want me to color everything?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Color question. Want color classroom, stair, a bus stop, breakfast, a shower, a cup, and a place.
Okay. This is everything.
Now you can color. Choose the correct words and write them on the line.
Am I going to color it too?
Yes, in color number A.
Okay, wait a minute. It's okay now?
And on the line. Not okay.
Oh, everything's colored now.
Now it's not everything. I will color.
Oh, you color the rest.
No. Now look. This. Color this. Color this.
That's plenty.
Color this. Color it.
Oh, maybe on the next page we have some pictures to color again.
No.
Come on, let's see.
No. You color where I circle it. Color it quickly. Color it
Oh.
quickly.
I want you to color also.
No.
Let's color together. Oh, I won't color it if you don't want.
You color it.
You have to color it too.
No. I will
Why?
not color it
Why?
because I like.
Oh, and what if teacher says I don't like to color too? What will you do?
And you color when you finish your section.
What if I don't want to color now? What are you going to do?
I when you don't like to do, I said you
What?
you
What?
you can
What?
you can color at all.
You can't color all. You're so silly. Okay, I'm done. 2 more box. Okay, one last. Okay, I'm finished. Okay, let's go to the next one. Huh?
What?
Let's go to the next page.
No, do not color
What else?
this. This too. This.
Okay.
This.
Oh, later on the next page, you will color everything too, okay?
No.
You're going to color too. Okay, finish. Finish, Kenchi.
Why are you not coloring this? Everything this.
Okay, finish. Finish now. Okay, can we go now to the next page?
No.
Not yet. Why? Why?
Why are you not coloring the line? A curved line.
The curved line?
Yes.
Or can you color it?
What?
Oh, I want you to color it for teacher, please, because I colored everything already.
No, I want you to color it.
No, you color it. That's only a few.
Why?
Okay, can you continue coloring? Let's go to the next activity, Kenchi.
No.
Come on.
You color everything.
I colored it. Okay? On the next page, we can color it. The pictures, okay? There's more pictures on the next pages.
No.
Oh, you color it. I cannot see anything to color now.
No.
Because I colored everything already.
No.
What else do you like to color? So that we can continue our activity.
No.
Faster. What color do you like?
Pink.
I don't have pink.
Orange.
What am I going to
Yellow.
What am I going to color?
Yellow.
What am I
Color
going?
the line.
The line.
Yes.
Okay. Finish. Okay, can we go now to the next activity? Huh?
No.
What else? There's nothing to color here. Okay, let's go to the next one. Kenchi. Okay. It's okay now.
No. No. You color the screen.
The screen?
Yes.
That's too big and you cannot read everything now.
You color the screen. Please.
Okay, after it, I will let you color plenty too.
No, you color the screen. Please.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, finish now. Oh no. Okay, Kenchi, I colored the screen now. Finish, Kenchi. There's no more to color. Okay, now let's go to the next activity.
You not color.
I color it.
It's all pink.
Yeah, it's all pink. You like pink, right? You said.
No. You draw. You color our screen white. No,
Okay.
black. Black. Black.
Black. Okay, Kenchi, finish. Oh, it's all black now. Can we go now to the next page? Oh, look, it's color black now.
No, you color are
Oh, what color again?
are you color are rainbow.
Rainbow?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Kenchi, finish now.
It's just 4 colors. I want 7 colors. Please. 7 colors.
Okay, it's 7 colors now. Okay, so Kenchi, let's see each other again tonight, all right? Because we don't have enough time. Okay, so later on, we are going to continue the activity, okay? All right? Okay? I'm going to see you again tonight, Kenchi.
Okay.
Good night. Good morning.